Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw 6-7 as a girl, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the number 6. So on the left hand side we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the eye. Let's move into the middle of that eye now, and for the pupil, again just drawing in another circle. And then on the top right hand side, just drawing in another circle for that highlight. And then from here, let's just color in our pupil black. Let's add some eyelashes now. So we're going to draw in 3 curved lines coming up and then down. We'll move down again, replicating that in the middle. And then one more time as we move through on the bottom. And then again, we'll just color in the center of each one black. Let's come up for the bow. So on a diagonal from this, in the center, we're going to draw in an oval. On the top, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. Now from here, on the bottom, actually, we'll come down and we'll curve this out, ending that at the same width. And now again from here, just curving that out slightly, closing off the side. Now in the middle, on the left and right hand side, we're going to bring 2 lines that come out, ending those at the same height. And then we'll flatten this out with a straight line. Now on the top, we're going to bring this line up and over. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll move through on the bottom, replicating that, curving that up, tucking that in. Now let's close off the rest of the number 6. So we're going to come underneath the bow here, and we're going to bring a diagonal line out on the front. We'll pull this line straight down towards the bottom. And then again, we'll bring this line across. Now from here, let's bring this line down on a diagonal, and then we'll tuck this back into the eye. Let's come down, bring this line out and down. Let's extend this line even further across to the same width as the line on the top, pulling that back down. And then we'll draw in a small line coming out. Let's pull this line through on a diagonal, making this even longer. And then again, we'll bring that back in. And then we'll pull this down towards the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw in another diagonal line coming across. And then we'll pull this line up and over. Now from here again, bring this line up and through towards the side. And now let's bring this diagonal line all the way up on the left. We'll pull this line in and then bring that through towards the bow. And now in the center, let's close off the middle of the 6. We're going to draw another diagonal line underneath the eye. To the right of this, a small diagonal line coming down. And then we'll bring this line across. Let's move through on the side, pulling this through on a diagonal. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left, just making this one continuous line, ending that at the same width. Now let's draw 2 straight lines coming across, leaving quite a big gap. And then we'll pull these lines down towards the bottom. Let's flatten this out again with another straight line. And now let's move over drawing in the number 7. So we're going to come across drawing in that eye, and we're going to draw in a nice big circle. In the middle, let's draw in another circle again for the pupil. And then on the top left-hand side, we'll add in our highlight. So drawing in another circle. And now from here, just coloring in the eye black. Let's add in some eyelashes. So on the top right-hand side, we're going to curve this line up, pulling that back down. We'll do the exact same thing moving through in the middle. And then one more time underneath, curving that out. And now let's color this in black. Now let's move up and draw in the bow on the 7. So we're going to come up on a diagonal again, drawing in an oval right in the middle. Now as we come up on both sides, we're just going to curve this line out for the side of the bow. We'll do the exact same thing moving underneath. Let's round this out on the side, curving that up. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to flatten this out again on the side. On the top, we're going to bring this line up and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom. And then we'll pull through underneath, bringing this down and in. And then again on the opposite side. Now let's draw on the number 7. So we're going to start from the top here, drawing this diagonal line coming out. We'll bring this line back down on a diagonal, ending it at the same height as the line from that corner of the 6. We'll pull this diagonal line through towards that eye now. Let's bring this line down and across. And then again, bringing this down on a diagonal and over. And then one more time, bringing this through towards the bottom. Let's come across. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming over. Now on the top, we're going to bring this line down and in. And then we're going to continue to connect this as we come through on a diagonal. So each time we're just going to bring this line down and across. We'll do that again one more time, bringing that down and in. And then for our last time, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming all the way down, joining that in the corner. Let's draw on the arms. So we'll start on the left-hand side. We're just going to curve this line out for the top of the arm, stepping down, replicating that. We're just going to end that at the same height. We're going to move in towards the middle, curving this line down. Now let's close off the wrist of the hand. So stepping over, curving this out, over, and then back in. Let's close off the hand. So we're going to arch this down, tucking this around and in. For the center finger here, replicating that, curving that through. And then one more time, arching this around and down. Now for that thumb, we're going to curve this around and in. And then from that corner, curving this around and down, leaving a gap in the center. Let's close off the legs. We're going to arch this down on the left-hand side. We'll step in, lining that up at the same height, curving that back up towards the number 6. We're going to draw in 2 curved lines right in the middle. And then we're going to close off the bottom of that leg with another curved line. Let's move around. So on the top, we're going to arch this over and in on the back. And now let's close off the back of the shoe, just curving this down towards the bottom of our page. We're going to curve this line out towards the side. We'll step up, lining it up at the same height, curving that back in towards the back of the shoe. Now from here on the outside, we're just going to curve this line up, connecting it to both of those lines, arching this around and then back down. And now let's draw in the arm and hand on the number 7. So we'll come across, curving this line out. Let's move down again, arching that over. We'll step in towards the middle, curving this line across. Let's close off the wrist, arching this around, down, and then back through. Let's draw on the thumb. We're going to curve this line up, down, around, tucking that back in. Start with the first finger. We're going to curve this over, pulling that back through towards the palm. Let's step down in the center, curving this around, back in. And then again for the pinky, curving this around and through. Let's close off the palm of the hand from that line, curving this down and back up. And now let's draw on the leg on the number 7. On the inside, curving this line down, ending that at the same height as the leg on the left. We'll step across, replicating this, curving this back through, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to close that off with a curved line. We'll step up, drawing in 2 more curved lines like we did on our left leg here for that pattern in the leg. Let's move around the shoe for the ankle and curving this in. Let's close off the back of that shoe, curving this down towards the bottom of our page. And then again, curving this line across. We'll step up, lining that up at the same height, curving this back in. And then from that line on the bottom, curving this all the way up towards the top, rounding that out, pulling that back down. And that is it. That's how you draw 6-7 as a girl. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.